Hello everyone, we are together again. Today we are going to solve a question. The question is here. I will construct this decision tree end of the video from 0. Okay, let's start it. I will solve this question step by step. Kraft Food Products is attempting to decide whether it should introduce a new line of salad dressing called Special Choices. The company can test market the salad dressing in selected geographic areas or bypass the test market and introduce the product nationally. Okay, let's click on the new and create with 2 branches. Type here test markets and type here no test market. The cost of the test market is $150,000. Don't forget to add here minus. If the company conducts a test market, it must wait to see the result before deciding whether to introduce the salad dressing nationally. The probability of a positive test market result is estimated to be 0.6. Okay, we should click here and change the event with 2 branches. Here positive and here negative. Positive one is 0.6 and the other one 0.4. By the way, don't worry about here, because when we type here 0.4 it will be okay, because these two numbers must equal to 1. Alternatively, the company can decide not to conduct a test market and go ahead and make the decision to introduce the dressing or not. Okay, we should click here, change decision, create with 2 branches, market nationally or refuse to market nationally. If the salad dressing are introduced nationally and are success, the company estimates that it will realize an annual profit of $1.6 million, whereas if the dressing failed, it will incur a loss of $700,000. By the way, the company is still deciding. That's why we should click change decision and create with 2 branches, both positive and negative ones. Market nationally, refuse to market nationally, market nationally. Nationally. Okay, what was the numbers? The numbers are $1.6 million. In the case of success, we should calculate it. That's why we should create with 2 branches. Success, failure, success, failure. In the case of success, the profit will be $1.6 million. And failure will be $700,000. Also, we should click here and change the event with 2 branches. Success and failure. Success is okay. The company believes the probability of success for the salad dressing is 0.5 if they are introduced without a test market. So these numbers must be 0.5. It's already done. If the company does conduct a test market and it's positive, then the probability of successfully introducing the salad dressing increases to 0.8. Means that we should type here 0.8 and here 0.2. If the test market is negative and the company introduced the salad dressing anyway, the probability of success drops to 0.3. Okay, this is the last form of decision tree for the question. Okay, let's answer the other questions. Using decision tree analysis, determine whether the company should conduct a test market. Okay, the company conduct the test market because test market is more profitable than the other one. Okay, let's calculate to determine the EVSI and EVPI. To calculate EVSI, we should do this calculation: expected value with the test market minus expected value without test market plus cost of the test market. The result is $234,000. And to calculate EVPI, we should this calculation and we should the maximum one, we should do it because and finally we should this calculation, I mean EVWPI minus EVWOP equal to 0.5 times the maximum one plus 0.5 the maximum one and minus $450,000. Then the calculation result is $350,000. Thank you for watching me.